Some people solve it like this. They start from the left and subtract first. 5 minus 3 gives us 2. Now the expression becomes 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 8. Next, they multiply. 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8. Now it becomes 8 divided by 8. And 8 divided by 8 gives us 1. So they confidently say the final answer is 1. But this answer is wrong. And this is where many people make mistakes. They simply move from left to right without thinking about the correct order. Mathematics does not allow us to solve expressions anyhow we like. There's a specific order we must follow. This rule is called the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. This rule tells us the exact order we must follow whenever we are solving a mathematical expression. So you see them? They ignored this rule, and that is why they got 1 as their answer. Now let us solve it the correct way. But before we solve it the correct way, please subscribe to my channel and drop a comment. I will definitely answer. Now first we check for parentheses. There are none. Next, we check for exponents. There are none. Now we move to multiplication and division. Remember, multiplication and division have the same priority. That means we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Looking at the expression again, 5 minus 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 8. We see multiplication first. 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 12. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 12 divided by 8. Next, we perform the division. 12 divided by 8 gives us 1.5. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 1.5. Finally, we perform the subtraction. 5 minus 1.5 gives us 3.5. So the correct final answer is 3.5, not 1. And now you can clearly see the difference between solving it randomly and following the correct mathematical rule. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and I will definitely answer.